The main steps of the energy storage container assembly process. 1. Container inspection and pretreatment. Carefully check the selected container to ensure its structural integrity, good sealing, no damage or deformation if there are any problems with the container. The necessary pretreatment and repair need to be carried out. Device installation and wiring. Install energy storage devices, battery packs, and inverters into containers one by one, according to the design requirements. During the installation, ensure the stability and proper layout of the device. At the same time, the wiring work of cables and coils is carried out to ensure the correctness and reliability of electrical connections. 2. Functional testing and debugging. After the installation and wiring, the storage container is tested and debugging. This includes the charge and discharge test of the battery pack, the operation test of the inverter, and the linkage test of the entire system. Through the test, the performance and stability of the storage container can meet the design requirements. 3. Safety inspection and protection. In the assembly process, it is necessary to pay attention to safety issues at all times. This section describes how to check the electrical equipment, cables, and lines inside containers to ensure that there are no exposed wires or potential hazards. At the same time, carry out necessary protective treatment on the container, such as installing fire panels, setting vents, etc., to improve its safety. 4. Record and acceptance. Record the entire assembly process in detail, including the data and results of equipment installation, wiring, testing, and other links. Finally, the acceptance work is carried out to ensure that the energy storage container meets the design requirements and quality standards. 5. The assembly process of an energy storage container may vary according to project requirements, device types, and installation environment. In actual operation, it is recommended to follow the assembly manual or professional guidance of the specific project to ensure assembly quality and safety.